12 forecast. I mean, we've got clear sailing around here for not just a few days, but I mean into next week, Pete. It's great.
This is going to go on a while, Danielle, which I know you don't mind, right?
This is going to be fantastic weather this weekend, yeah.
I think a lot of people are excited about that. So one of those outdoor dining options will be back on. Let's show you what's happening. This is an interesting map because if you've been outside already, this map is going to make sense. These are the differences compared to 24 hours ago when it comes to temperature, and you can see some areas almost 20 degrees warmer than we were at this time yesterday morning. Providence over 16 degrees warmer, Smithfield 15, and Newport in the plus 13 category. All right, so we likely go back to the 70s. If not today, then certainly this weekend. The warmth lasts for a while, and of course we are tracking Ada. We'll show you that coming up in just a minute. In terms of the drought statistics, you know, we're doing better than we were about a month ago, but still not great. Since September 1st, we're about 0.8 inches below normal. Since January 1st, we're 7.63 inches below normal. Not a lot of rain in sight until maybe the middle of next week, and that's a big maybe. The breezes are out there along with the mild weather. That's why you can see the branches swinging around here in North Kingstown, and we have some clouds here in Narragansett with temperatures running in the 50s and 60s. 59 right now in Westerly, 64 Newport, 69 in Providence, 67 in Smithfield, so 1 degree shy of the 70-degree mark in Providence right now. With those breezes noticeable, that's for sure. They're out of the southwest in Providence at 12, 13 in Smithfield. And recently I have noticed a gust of 24 miles an hour coming in from TF Green, 18 in Newport, and 22 in Smithfield. That's because we have high pressure to our east that is sending some of those breezes in from the south and southwest, but it's also dragging in some of that milder air, and that will dominate our weather pattern through the weekend and even into next week. Now, temperatures today in the upper 50s to mid 60s, depending on where you are along the south coast. Right now, some of those breezes and clouds keeping temperatures down a little bit, but really a nice day to be outside across the board. Upper 60s, a few 70s possible today, 69 in Scituate, 67 in Woonsocket, Johnston around 69. And here in eastern Massachusetts, temperatures also running in the upper 60s to around 70, 67 for Attleboro, 67 in Seekonk. Now, this evening, it's actually fairly mild for this time of year. Temperatures dropping into the upper 50s. We'll likely see some increase in clouds, but other than that, no major issues this evening. Maybe a little bit of patchy fog along the coast into early tomorrow morning. So right now, Ada back to a tropical depression, but the track from the National Hurricane Center does have this re-strengthening back into a tropical storm, likely going in the area of Cuba, maybe towards Florida over the next few days by the end of the weekend. But this track has a lot of uncertainty. You can tell by just looking at it, there's a lot of uncertainty, so we'll keep you updated on that situation. Now, 7-day forecast has a lot of warm weather, especially as we head into the weekend. Tomorrow getting up to around 68, 70 on Saturday. Sunday should be close to 70, and the same thing for Monday with mostly sunny skies, and it's likely that mild weather hangs on through Tuesday. And then as we go into next week, maybe some showers on the way late Wednesday into Thursday, but we'll have to see about that. Of course, WPRI.com, the place to go for your latest weather update. So Danielle, a lot of mild weather here on the way, especially as we head throughout the weekend.
Cruise control for you, Pete. All
That's right, very easy.
Thank you. Checking some other news now. Americans could see another stimulus check